One special example of reflection is when waves strike a curved reflector. I've turned the mask round on the Raybox kit now, so we're actually getting 3 rays of light coming from the Raybox. And you can see that the rays are actually reflecting off the curved reflector in front of it. If you pay particular attention, you can actually see that the rays cross over at one point here. Now that's actually quite important, right? This would actually be called the focal point of the curved reflector. If we actually do this in terms of satellites, then we actually get a very, very strong signal at this point, and that's where you place the aerial. And it doesn't matter where we actually place the rays, right, we can actually get a focus. If I bring them together, right, the middle ray is now reflecting straight back on itself, and the focal point is here. That's where you would place the aerial if you were trying to set up a satellite receiver. I've now turned the Raybox on its end, so we've actually got the full brightness of the lamp reflecting off the curved reflector. And if you notice, I can actually create a beam. If I adjust the position, you can see where that beam goes. This is actually what they call the reversibility of light, in the sense that I can actually use a curved reflector to focus the waves, or I can actually use the curved reflector to create a beam. This is how car headlamps work. And it's also how satellite transmitters actually work. So the signals are sent back into the curved reflector, and then they're actually sent to the satellite receiver as a beam. And then they'd be focused to the aerial, as we saw in the previous video.